Oh, sanibonani guys. So namhlanje we are focusing ku method of calculating efficiency, electrotechnics N6, rope break. And so rope break, it's simple because we are having few of ama formulas, and it's very simple. And abayikhiphi kangako na ku-exam, but yona bayayikhipha akhona kumanye ama-question paper. If you can go through ama-question papers wabona ukuthi ikhona i-rope break, but abayikhiphi nanoma kanjani. So i-rope break is simple. So we are having few of ama-formulas lana. You have to understand ukuthi there's no thing you have to understand. You have to substitute and get the answer. That's change. So first formula we're having in P-in. P-in wakho kuzoba ubani? I-terminal voltage multiply by i-load. Then yokusi-2 yokuqala, yokusi-2 u-P-out. U-P-out is equals to F multiply by V, which F wakho kuzoba yini? I-force. F wakho it is equals to W minus 1 S. Your W it is what is your effective force, force or something. Let's say your S it is equals to in spring. So indaba ye-spring, when it comes to spring, if spring abakunekanga, which means the spring sakho sizoba ubani? U-0. Akusukuthi i-question izoba wrong. If abakunekanga spring, which means u-0. So effective, if u-W wakho kuzoba ubani? U-W wakho kuzoba yini? I-weight ngamanye amagama, which kuzoba ubani? U-mg. Where is u-G wakho kuzoba ubani? U-G wakho, remember u-G wakho it's a gravitational acceleration 9.81 meters per second squared because of the acceleration. So in this part, the formula le banokuthi power out it is equals to 2 pi r n w minus s all over 60 kanje. So which means ile formula le ozobuyisebenzisa most of the time. Ile formula le ozobuyisebenzisa. So enye into esinayo yini? Number 3 kuzoba ubani? Efficiency, formula of efficiency. So which is about P out all over P in multiply by 100%. Iphelela la kahle ilona what you call this thing, i-rope break kanje.